Alright, this is a new power tool I got. One of my favorite things to get and unbox. My mom got me this. It is a Dewalt 20 volt circular saw. I believe it's a 6.5. Yeah, 6.5 inch circular saw. And from Dewalt. I ordered the charger and the battery with it, but I think this is just the saw because I think the charger and battery have to be delivered. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, instruction manual. Yeah, looks like this is just the saw. So I'll have to wait till I think March 3rd to get the charger and the battery. But comes with a blade. That's good. I have another saw that's corded, and the cord back here is like starting to fray. So nice battery. Press that forward to run it. It's also got angled cuts. So that's really nice, and I think the 6.5 inch is going to be good enough. I've got some things down in the basement that I could cut up and put in the garbage, so it's got like a little nut back here. I don't know if you can see that there, and you got to pull that in to be able to tighten it. Alright, so that's a plastic guard. So I'll just get an adjustable wrench and put the blade on. I'm assuming this is for wood. Yeah, framing. So that's what we got. Can't wait to get the battery and the charger, and then I'll kind of show a video of it operating.